Well, good morning. Thank you all for joining us this morning. I'm greatly appreciative to Dr. Tobi Amosun from the Department of Health. We also have your Deputy Commissioner for Population Health. Is that correct? All right. And then retired sheriff, but now our Tennessee Highway Safety Office Director, Buddy Lewis, for being here. And also want to extend my gratitude to Chief Williams here for welcoming us as well. Thank you for having us today. It's fitting here, we're on a hot summer day to talk about a program we created a couple of years back and trying to create awareness to try and prevent heat-related deaths in automobiles. And when those deaths occur, they typically occur because a loved one or whoever's driving that vehicle simply forgot that they had a small child or a child period in the back of that vehicle. And we all know, especially on a hot day like this, how quickly a vehicle can heat up to very dangerous levels. And in fact, nationally, while we're very fortunate in Tennessee, we haven't had a heat-related death this year. But on average, one of these heat-related deaths happens every 10 days in our country. So we created a program called the Baby in the Back program. It's a hang tag that is two-sided. And one, this faces the driver. This is in the front seat. And it says, "Where's baby?" Remind the person who is responsible for that vehicle to check the car to make sure they've gotten their baby out of the car. On the flip side, it says "baby in back," so anybody passing by the vehicle who sees that can take a glance in to make sure nobody's left their child in the vehicle. And that's critical. Sometimes we have found that lives have been saved as well by someone who has walked by the vehicle and realized there was a child left in the car. So we have distributed over 500,000 of these hang tags since the program began. However, we're very grateful that this year we can really count on our partners, the Department of Health, the Department of Safety, and Homeland Security in helping distribute these. They're being distributed to several locations, including the Department of Health WIC clinics, the Metro Health Departments, the Tennessee Highway Patrol District Headquarters, Driver Services offices, some law enforcement departments across the state, and at Tennessee Highway Safety Office child car seat check events, such as the one taking place here today. We do have a thermometer here. We placed a thermometer in a vehicle just a few moments ago, just to show how quickly the heat could rise in a vehicle. When we started this event, just a few moments ago, it was 83 degrees. You're going to be surprised to know how much that's heated up by the end of this event. We encourage any Tennessean transporting children to request a hang tag from our partners or our office by visiting sos.tn.gov/request hang tags. Without any further ado, I would like to introduce Dr. Tobi Amosun for some remarks.
Good morning, everyone. As mentioned, I'm Dr. Tobi Amosun. I'm the Deputy Commissioner for Population Health for Tennessee Department of Health. I have 20 years of experience as a pediatrician in the community, and I spent a large part of that career working in emergency departments. Unfortunately, I've had to take care of families who've had near misses and unfortunate tragic events as a result of heat-related injuries. Usually these situations, as mentioned before, were situations when a parent was distracted, was out of their normal routine, and they forgot their child was in the back of the car. As you all know, if you've ever gotten to a car in Tennessee in the middle of the summer, it gets real hot there. And on a 90-degree day, the temperature can rise as much as 40 degrees in 1 hour. That high level of heat can have devastating results for children, especially considering that they can get overheated at a much faster rate than adults. Even things like cracking a window or parking in the shade is not enough to prevent the car from getting hot. So I do encourage parents to reach out to this program, get these hang tags. We'll be assisting the Secretary and the Department of Safety to distribute these hang tags through our partners, but also community pediatricians and other organizations that work with children. I'm so thankful for this partnership with the Secretary and the Department of Safety. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Secretary Hargett. And good morning. I am Buddy Lewis, and I'm the Department of Safety with the Tennessee Department of Safety and Homeland Security as the Director of the Tennessee Highway Safety Office. And on behalf of Commissioner Jeff Long, I would like to thank Secretary of State's office for including us in this very important effort to save lives across Tennessee. We're also very appreciative of the Tennessee Department of Health as they are a dedicated partner as well. We want to stress that in Tennessee, it is illegal to leave a young child unattended in a vehicle, even if it is running. As you heard, leaving a child in a vehicle on a hot day like today can be very devastating. But it doesn't have to be this way. Child heat-related injuries and deaths are very much preventable. These hang tags will serve as a quick and easy reminder to look for your child in the back of your vehicle. Our department is committed to ensuring Tennesseans arrive alive at their destination, and that includes getting out of a vehicle. We encourage citizens to lock their cars even if they are not running or if they're not even in the vehicle, because a young child can get into your vehicle without you knowing it and then can stay there, get locked in that vehicle, and the tragic outcome could be avoided if that takes place. So in partnering with the Secretary of State, Tre Hargett, we really appreciate what you all are doing, the Department of Health is doing in order for us to save lives across Tennessee. So on behalf of everyone, partnerships across the state, law enforcement, health department, Secretary of State's office, the Tennessee Department of Safety and Highway and Homeland Security, and our division within that department is very much appreciative of what we're doing today, and we're going to continue these efforts to save lives across our state.
Thank you, Sheriff Lewis. Thank you, Dr. Amosun, and thank you to your commissioners as well for your participation in the program and helping us distribute these. I want to emphasize these hang tags are free. I encourage any Tennessean who is transporting children to contact us or go see one of the aforementioned departments or agencies and get one of these hang tags. Also, you can request one once again at sos.tn.gov/request hang tags. This concludes today's press conference. I will tell you, we put the thermometer in the car, I think about at 8:51, and the temperature was 83 degrees. It's now 9:05, and it's already over 100 degrees. So this can in fact save lives. And to the point that Dr. Amosun mentioned a moment ago, out in the hot sun, it can increase up to 40 degrees in that car. So this can be a life-saving program, and I thank you, especially to our media partners who are helping us inform Tennesseans about this. We can spread the word, and we can hopefully continue to avoid heat-related deaths in our great state this year and beyond. Thank you once again for coming today and for helping spread the word about this valuable program.